good morning. This is day 2 of cleaning the house. I left you yesterday with having completed the first bedroom and doing 4 loads of washing, and I did the second room apart from reapply the pillows, which is exactly what I'm going to be doing this morning because they have now been washed and dried. So the first bedroom and second bedroom have been done. I'll start off by taking the washing off the drying rack and then also put all this stuff away upstairs. I have a load of washing that has finished that I need to hang up, but I'm probably going to put it on the radiators because it takes forever to dry, so we're going to be doing that. And then we will move on to the bathroom and then work from there. Our bathroom is a work in progress. We're just going to leave it a work in progress. So basically it's really small as well, so I've just closed the door, not got much room. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be just cleaning it, cleaning the bins, giving everything a wipe down, and then that should be it for the bathroom. Hi guys, so my camera died again. So I put my camera on charge, finished hoovering because I think that was the last clip that it got me doing. There's another load of washing in. I do have a box of things here that I need to sort out, but that is a sort out later situation. That means the bathroom, the hallway and the front room have been done today, so I'm very proud of myself. I will see you guys tomorrow for one more room in the house to be done, and then I've finished cleaning.